Are you tired of making your miniature plates using clay or plastic? I made this mold completely out of cardboard, so you can make unique plates made out of paper and foil. You can use it over and over again. Think of all the creative designs you can make. Grab a cereal box and cut out a 4 by 4 cm square. This will be the base of the bottom of the mold. Draw another 4 by 4 cm square and draw 2 diagonal lines as shown to find the center of the square. In order to make an accurate measurement, use a compass with a really sharp pencil tip. Draw a circle in the center with 1.4 cm radius. Now cut out the circle. Make another piece the same and glue them together. Make sure they line up perfectly. Now cut out another 4 by 4 cm square. This time make a circle with a 0.9 cm radius. Now cut out the circle. Make 4 pieces the same and glue them together. Cut out another 4 by 4 cm square. This time make a circle with a 0.7 cm radius. Make 3 pieces the same and glue them together. These are the 4 pieces for the bottom of the mold. Grab the piece with the smallest circle and glue onto the 4 by 4 cm square base. Grab the piece with the 0.9 cm radius circle, which is the median circle, and glue on top of it. Now grab the biggest circle and glue on the very top. The final result should look like this. Now we are going to make the cap. First, draw a circle with a radius of 1.35 centimeters. Make 2 pieces and glue them together. This piece should fit into the base. There should be a small gap around of 1 millimeter. Then draw a circle with a radius of 0.83 centimeter. Make 4 pieces and glue them together. This piece should fit into the second circle in the base. Next, draw a circle with a radius of 0.65 centimeter. Make 3 pieces and glue them together. This piece should fit into the smaller circle in the base. In order to stack them together perfectly centered, take the measurement of the median piece. Use this to draw a glue line in the middle of the largest circle. Then repeat for the smaller circle. As we glue them all together, do the final fit to the base. Because this is a really tight fit, if the cap doesn't fit perfectly, use a rotary tool to gently buff the edges. I put a link in the description to the one I'm using. I also have a 3D printed version that I made of the mold. You can click the link below the video if you're interested in getting that instead of making one yourself. I printed off some plate patterns off the internet. Each of the plates is about 2.9 centimeters diameter. To make the plates, glue 3 layers together. The top one is the printed pattern. For the second layer, use regular tin foil. The third layer, use regular printing paper. After the glue is completely dry, cut out the plate. Press the plate into the mold gently, making sure the edges fit evenly. This way, when you put the cap on and press it, the plate won't go all over the place. Once the cap is in place, press firmly on the table. Now we have a mold that can give us a realistic looking plate made out of paper that we can use over and over again. Just think of all the unique plates you can make with this mold. I like the patterns with the irregular shapes as opposed to the plain circular designs. To give the plates a realistic look, I use a clear coat of Mod Podge, applied twice. And there it is, the finished project. If you have any problem making it, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me to keep making new videos for you every week. I will see you next time.